Hi and welcome to Lights and Buttons. In my past video I talked about how the Acura TL didn't have enough LEDs for being a luxury sedan, and let's fix that problem by taking a look at the rear lights. We're going to do some upgrading today. In order to complete this, you'll need a socket wrench, in this case an 8mm socket, something to pry with. I have a trim removal tool, a flathead screwdriver, some gloves, and of course the bulbs themselves. We're first going to remove this panel, followed by these two screws, and then this fastener. This is probably optional, but just to reduce stress on the fastener, I'm going to take it out. This one, we're going to lift up and then out. I don't have a proper tool to remove this, so I'm just going to use this trim remover. Wow, that was annoying to get out. Now that we have this panel out of the way, we can peel this back from the weather stripping to expose the parts we need to remove. And after we peel this back, we have 1, 2, and 3 that we have to take out, and we can do so by an 8mm socket. Now that the tail light is ready to come out, it won't pop out just yet. What we have to do is grab one of the trim removal pieces. I'm going to pry right over here, just a little bit, careful not to scratch the paint, and then this assembly will pop right out. Here's the signal bulb, and then the reverse bulb. To remove the bulb, you twist counterclockwise, and then slowly take the bulb out. You don't want to touch the bulb with your bare hands, so you use some gloves to prevent the oils from transferring to the bulb. Here are the two in comparison. When you put it in, make sure you line the tabs and then twist. If the bulb doesn't light up, just reverse it. Now put everything back together. I hope you enjoyed that video. I had so much fun installing the LEDs. I mean, I guess the Lights and Button channels wouldn't be Lights and Buttons without lights. Anyway, subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends. We'll see you in the next video. So long.